came here in Wong Lung Hang streams. So these sites host both non-native fish and native fishes. So what we are doing today is to catch both native and invasive fish, and then we'll go back to the lab, try to identify the diets, and then what we want to do is try to infer which native species, let's say, is competing with which invasive species. Indeed, you can see that for this one with a white cheek, they are the gobies, freshwater gobies here in Hong Kong, so they're very widespread. For the giraffe in particular, I'm working on a fish called Oriochromis niloticus, so it's the tilapia. So they were introduced to Hong Kong back in the 1940s-50s for food, as food. So, but then later on, they spread around all over Hong Kong. And basically you can find them in almost all lowland streams, so they're very widespread. But when I write that giraffe, it's because of the fact that, well, they're very widespread here in Hong Kong, but then we don't really have a lot of research on their ecological impacts. So elsewhere, their invasion could impact native fish, population, abundance, and also their diets as well. So basically in the giraffe, I would do both laboratory experiments, trying to quantify the ecological impacts on macroinvertebrates in freshwater, as well as on native fishes as well. So for my goal in career, basically, of course, what I do is collecting data, analyzing things, understanding, creating knowledge. But I think what's more important is a lot of these threats are basically due to human actions. So hopefully education is one of the pathways that can let more people know about the system, so that we, only if you are aware of the problem, that you protect the problem. So this is why I've been engaging in different educational activities. And the other thing is, a lot of my colleagues in science unit, indeed they are sitting in different government panels. So I think hopefully with more information, building up this database, I can also help them to guide what we should do in order to protect them from it. So this is what I would say my goal in the career.